Hello, I'm Wesley, and this is my Scratch project called YouTube Simulator. I was inspired to make this game because I enjoyed playing a game on Roblox called RoTube Live. The purpose of this game is to try to get as many subscribers as you can as a YouTube content creator. Let's start. When you start this game, you can choose to play this game in English or in Japanese. The main features of this game are the skill, computer, and the create video. Let's start with the create video first. Now I'll have to turn off my camera because the create video has a video sensing function. After I typed my video title, now you can see I have a score and a time. And after I do motions at the YouTube icon, the score will increase. This happens because when I receive start timer is after you click the tick button on the ask. If video motion on sprite is over 35, then change score by 1. Then after that, you hide with 0.2 seconds, then go to another random direction. Also, the time will decrease. After you have finished filming your video, the amount of subscribers you will gain is dependent on your score. The higher your score, the more subscribers you will gain. Now, let's look at the skill. Now, I can choose my skill to upgrade. But oh no, I have not enough money to upgrade either charisma or editing. By the way, both of these skills are beneficial to increasing your subscriber count. So now let's click on the work button. So now I can now buy charisma, and now my charisma editing is 1. Now let's look at the computer. Here I can engage in social media and build up a social media following. Now look, as I click the post and my MySpace followers increase. I can also go to Amazon and upgrade my computer. But for that to happen, I need $550. So now I can now engage in other social media such as Facebook to build up a social media following there. This has been an amazing journey and I have learned so much.